Hello guys, welcome to this video. In our last video we did some things about list. We talked about list, how to index and how to index properly, append, insert, remove, pop, del, and some other things we talked about. So in this video you are going to be hearing more about a list inside a list. This is a list inside a list. Get it? It's more like a match. When I bring it down like I did, sorry, okay, and I did where I get to see that this is a list inside a list. Okay, let's how can this be used? What is the purpose? In the case of this is mainly using when it comes to a machine learning scenario. For example, if your plan is to go into machine learning inside a list, you have to learn how to make use of them. This video I'll make sure to give you a comprehensive understanding to what list inside the list, how you can index them out. So let me start with the example. Okay, let's say I have a variable called a box, for example, and I created a list. We know that this is how a list is created, and then I have a list inside it. Let's say make 3 more lists. You can see this is, let me space them out. You can see this list 1, list 2, list 3 inside this list. Okay, let me give it a value inside like 1, 2. Okay, let me give this guy 199. Okay, let me just give it a random 0, 65 because we'll be performing some mathematical operations inside there. So I don't want it to get confusing to you. We know that when it comes to that of indexing list, which I talked about one of my previous videos, you start from 0, right? 1, 2. Okay, let me use this for example. Let me use this shopping bag for example. You can see this is 0, 1, 2, and so on and so forth. So don't think because this guy is inside the quote, it can't be. It's not a single. It's inside a treat it as a there's 1, this whole guy, and there's 2, this whole guy, and there's 3, this whole guy. So if you're finding it a little bit difficult, let's try printing out. Let's say box in there is 0. This box in there is 0. What is in there 0 is this guy. So let's see what we get. Okay, as you can see here, 1, 2. Let's print there's 1. As you can see, I get 199. So inside this is still a list. Remember, this is still a list on its own. So if I was to say there's 0, let's work with this guy first. There's 0. We get this guy down here. We get this guy down here. So inside this guy, I can still tend to get there's one inside this list. We still have there's 0 and there's 1. So how can we access this? We can come here and say let's say want to get this 1, for example. I will know that is in there's 0, right? And this is in there. So let's try getting this one, which we know is in there's 0. So I'll come here and say in there's 0. Or we can say let's create a new variable, return a converse, a new variable. Let's say let's say first item. First item, which we know that when we print out this guy, when we run this guy, it's going to give me this guy. And I want to get this guy. So what I'm going to do is first item index 0. You get, so this first item is this boss of index 0, and this boss of index 0 is this guy. So when I get it, when I run this, I should be able to get my 1. As you can see out here, as you can see at the output here. So the same thing apply to this guy. Let's say I want to get this 99. One know that this is 0, this is 1. So I'll come here and put 1. Okay, that means I'm already in this guy. So this 99, where does it belong? It belongs at this is 0, this is 1. So I just put 1 here and then run it. I should be able to get my 99 successfully. The same thing can be done here. Remember that this is 0, 1, and then 2. So when I put 2 here, for example, and I want to print out this 65. Now I'm already in this 2. So I'm this in the 0, in this 1. When I run this, I should still get my 65. Since it was already 1, so I don't need to write there again. If it's, let's say it's 90, 77, I want to print out 90. Let's say I want to print out 77. So that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. That's 0, put 2 here. And then inside here I have 0, okay, 1, okay, 2, and I have 3 here. So come here to print our 3, which is going to output us 77, okay, as you can see here. I can also perform some mathematical operations on it. Now I can see I can get to, I want to add 100 plus 65. How do I do it? I'm going to make it a little bit shorter. So we have the boss. This is one that this is 1. So this is 0, there's 0, this is index 1. I want to print out this guy, this index. So I'm going to have index 1, right? So now we're in this list. And this in this index 1. I want to get this 100. And this 100 is in the 0, so I can come here, put in there. I don't want to create multiple variables, so let's make it to be easier once in this way. And then this one now, this 1 signifies this index, and this 0 signifies this index. So I can say plus. Let's say I want to, like I said, 65. I can say box. I can say box again. Box index. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So we'll be looking at 2. Okay, in this, inside this box, what index does 65 apply on? So know that 0 will have 1. You can just say 1. You can then print our output. We know that 100 plus 65 should be 165. As you can see here, I successfully printed out and successfully looped, right? So not looped, but successfully gone into a list of lists and then printed them there. But we could also perform some things that we did in our previous videos, like append, insert, remove, del, pop, a lot of them inside this boss variable. So I think list inside the list, how to access them, how to append. When you want to append, just follow how I did it in my previous video. Also how to do another mathematical operation. Another things you should know you can do with let me use this shopping bag, for example. Let me make it simpler. This video. For an instance, you don't know how many elements there is inside there. You don't know how many values there is inside this list. I want to know how many there are. You can use the len keywords in Python. Len is called len, or the full name is length. So, but it's shortened to len. Like how int which is for integer, is being shortened to int. So you can put the shopping bag inside there to know how many elements are inside there. One of that is this. One of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One that is 7 elements here. Don't mistake it with by indexing. Don't mistake it. So run this here. We should be able to get our 7 successfully. So we can also use what is called counts. Counts help you to count. For example, I want to know how many shoes we bought. So I can say dot count. to count, what I want to count shoe. Get? So I think inside here we only have one shoe. So I'm expecting output to be 1. Let's say in a situation where we have one shoe, for example. When I run it, I should get 2. So that's what you can see now here. I got to. So that was one things you should know. Also you can also use with list. So you just move around, check around to put things you can actually do with it. There are a whole lot of them, which I can't explain all of them in this video. But these are the most important and most used things in list. But I'm laying more emphasis on this list inside the list. When we do a game tic-tac-toe, we're going to code that. I think that will be in our next video. I know tic-tac-toe game how to do with zeros, sorry, x and zeros. Yes, and zeros. So we're going to use this principle that is here to the principle that applies here to play our tic-tac-toe game. So I'll be looking forward to see you in the next video. Like I said, it's going to be a going to be a task that we're going to do, a game where we can play our game to enjoy ourselves. So we make use of everything we have learned in this tutorial, starting from the beginning to the end. Comprises of the list, comprises of the append, comprises of the collecting input, a whole lot of them. So make use of it. But the tic-tac-toe is going to be text-based. It's not going to be a UI. As of now, this is still a beginner level, so we'll be doing a text-based. As we progress further, we'll do a UI by ourselves. A UI that I can see. Go to Play Store. I'm going to download tic-tac-toe again. I'm going to build that where we can build and publish on Play Store, or other people can also download. For that to happen, you have to be always key into this channel to know when I upload new videos. And how can you know when I upload new videos? Is when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. When I upload new videos, you definitely be the first to find out about it. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, and also share. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.